So let's move to the crypto space now. I can't remember if we did a prediction yesterday,
Yeah,
Ladi.
your crystal ball. Yeah. You
I
didn't give
don't
me a
know.
straight answer, I believe. Yeah.
Oh, okay, all
Yeah,
right.
but
So what do we have?
yeah, we have red. We have red.
Oh
Yeah.
my,
That
oh
US
my.
CPI didn't sit well with the market. There was a lot of
Yeah.
volatility yesterday. We saw Bitcoin dip all the way to about $43,000 after the US CPI came out. So, but it did spike back up, but now we're back down again. Friday saw red.
In
The
the
market
Friday
cap,
gloom.
the Friday, yeah, the Friday. We see the market cap there's lost that $2 trillion mark. It's down about 2.31% this morning. Volume traded $115.24 billion, up 40.05%. And see Bitcoin dominance, 41.73%. Price of Bitcoin this morning, $43,267, down 1.56%. And the volume traded, $34.90 billion. Some traders still say Bitcoin is still primed for bullish move. As long as it holds the 42,800 mark, then we can still have some uptrend there. Price of Ethereum, $3,079. Looks like it's trying to lose that $3,000 mark. It's down 3.33%. Volume traded $19.79 billion in Ethereum. Let's bring in Michael Inaji now. Hello, Michael.
Hello, happy Friday, Alex.
Happy Friday, Michael. Happy Red Friday. Good to have you. Well, Michael, we did have a flurry of good news for the crypto industry this week. First was BlackRock, asset manager with over $10 trillion in assets, says it's going to give offered crypto trading to its customers. Is this the institutionalization we've been asking for?
Yes. BlackRock said that they're going to be offering crypto trading through their platform called Aladdin. And so the reason why this is fairly important is because BlackRock doesn't cater to retail type investors. They predominantly deal with institutions, sovereign funds, big pension funds. They're basically a asset manager for institutions. And so when you have the largest asset manager in the world coming in to say that they will be basically offering crypto trading, it makes you realize that no one wants to be left out. The rationale behind it is basically because they're seeing the flows of money into other companies for people who want to purchase digital assets. And so this is just a way for them to gain into that market share. And so it's just, the realization is now most people realize that there's no more career risk with associating yourself with some kind of, digital asset. It's actually a career risk not to associate. Now I think most of it's mostly been de-risked in terms of the negative consequences of Bitcoin's only for criminals and so forth. It's been really clear now that Bitcoin is a tool that investors can use to basically protect their portfolios.
Quite interesting. And talking about bad actors in the space, we saw Bitfinex funds got finally returned after about 6 years. Does it mean bad actors cannot capitalize on the privacy of cryptocurrencies?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Blockchains are, public ledgers that anyone can have a look into. And the things the criminals did wrong is basically they tried to launder the money in 1,000 different ways. But ultimately, the mistake that they made was they used an account in their own name when they thought they finally had cleaned the money. And so what investigators did was when they figured out these individuals were trying to launder stolen funds, they basically got like a subpoena to basically monitor them. And so in that subpoena, as they were monitoring these individuals, they had access to one of their cloud servers. And in their cloud servers was the private keys, which makes you laugh because these people are so-called money launderers, but they did the number one pool of crypto, which was leaving their keys on not in cold storage. It was online in a public in a public domain. And so what the investigators did was when they finally linked the private keys to these money launderers, that established the trail that they needed to basically arrest them. Had it not been for the keys in their accounts, they probably would have been fine. But just for the sheer fact that they found the private keys to about 94,000 Bitcoins, the reason why now they're under arrest. So no criminal is safe from the eyes of the law, especially when you deal with something as public as Bitcoin.
All right, Michael. And it was interesting to see that when the feds, took a picture with the money, it was just a flash drive. It wasn't stacks of cash. All right, Michael. Thank you so much. Enjoy the weekend.
Thank you so much, Adi. Have a good weekend.
All right, Ini. So looking at the top 5 gainers, we see it's just Theta there, up 27%. It's not looking bad, but we're having that pullback, and it's a red Friday, Ini.
It's a red Friday. Hopefully by Monday, over the weekend, we'll recover, and then on Monday, we'll start the journey again.
Start all over again.
Thank you so much, Ladi.